always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here.
Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Tyra and this is Marine's Home Expressions. Welcome back if you're returning and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're in the garage. So as I stated in the last video, the putting away Christmas, the next video would be cleaning out the closets and of course organizing the garage. So let me show you what we have going on. So these are the shelves that we purchased, and Donnie put it together and already put it in the garage. Stuff on top of the deep freezer. This little cabinet and cart has been here. Of course, those bins, tires to one of the cars, and then just other random stuff for the house, shingles, a box, and things like that. And then of course, the floor is terrible. Eventually, I do want to put some of that epoxy stuff in here on the floors and redo them and then paint again in here. But of course, right now, that's not going to happen in this video. I'm just showing you where we are now because it's all about the process. This is my husband's dad's car. Some of my plants for the springtime have to be out of the cold weather, so they're in here. And then a bunch of junk that is on top of the car. So we're going to be moving these tires over to the other side of the garage, on the other side of the car. And then because I have my bins and things that are going to go over here lined up against the wall. And so I'm just going to organize this side, basically kind of sweep it out and things like that. And that will be what we have going on until the springtime, and maybe we'll do another video. Donnie said he wants to get another shelf. He likes that black shelf deal. We got it from Sam's. It was on sale for I think like $60, and it's a 5-tier shelf. And then they had the bins that match it, the black and gold ones. And I bought I think 3 or 4 of those. And then I do have some bins that don't match it, because the smaller ones they ran out of at every location for Sam. So I couldn't get those. But without further ado, let's get started on the mess that is the garage. Remember, you guys, it's all about the process. It's not about it being perfect. It's just about us getting it to the point where we want it to be. So that's what we're going to do today. So this is real life. Where to start, y'all? I think I'm going to start with the tires. I think moving the tires to the other side, that'll give me some room, and then I can start sweeping out. So here we go. This is just one of my things that I use when I spray paint and stuff like that. I'll put that over here for now.
Yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. A cigarette. No, I never smoke, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was.
He kept getting these. You see that? So he took them.
Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How they get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? It was just a lover. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make. That initial flood, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love.
So that'll be right there. Oh, this is the paper that I use for when I spray paint stuff too, or I don't know, just any kind of projects covering the floors if we're doing some painting or something.
I just wanna go back to how it was, baby.
Parking here every night, so that's why it's so dirty and muddy right now. Okay, y'all. So I'm in the office. This is where I've been storing stuff out of the way. It's just a mess, and I've been working it. I got to get all this stuff off of here before I can even take these tubs to the garage. So work with me, y'all.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know.
Okay, y'all. So here are the tubs and things that we packed up last night, and we're gonna go ahead and move them to the garage.
Can we stay happy? I'd rather be on that way. Trying to control.
We made it back out here. Here's the Christmas tree, a couple of the wreaths, the indoor ones, more Christmas stuff, Christmas, gray boxes, random stuff, arts and crafts, and then fall, Christmas. Wait, let me make sure y'all can see. Fall underneath at the bottom, sorry. Christmas and then Christmas. Okay, so I want to check something. Yeah, I'm worried about my mirror. My mirror is right here. I don't know why I'm so scared about it. I know I wrapped it good and it's been in here, but then just moving that. Me and this mirror. Okay, it's good. It's good. Nervous. Okay. So I was gonna put the fall stuff on top of the Christmas, but what I think I'm gonna do, y'all, is because I got more Christmas stuff, and this doesn't close like all the way. I think I'm gonna slide this down since that's fall, and that box is heavy because out there I got candles and glass in there, and then this. Oh yeah, this is my Christmas stuff. That's in containers, but I didn't want all these little containers of stuff out. I figured just put it in here, and then
Share love in the ocean, but if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the nights I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on a right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I know in your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence I get.
That's the whole point of this video, is just to get the shelves, the stuff on the shelves, and organize it a little bit. In the spring, we'll do all that other stuff. So, sorry, y'all. I thought y'all could see me all the time. So that's what it's looking like so far. I put the saw there, the power washer, and then that case with that cart with the book cases on top of it. And I did order the labelers. So I'm waiting for those to come. I think they'll be here this weekend. But I wanted to go ahead and get this recorded and edit it and get it out. So we're going to go ahead and... So I guess y'all missed all that. I ain't even know it. Well, anyway, the Christmas tree is there. The 2 gray boxes. The stuff that I'm going to be working on. Other little arts and crafts stuff. And Christmas. So this is what's left. And again, that stuff in this tub will be getting addressed in the spring, not in this video. So y'all, my mirror couldn't fit in that box without closing all the way.
Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating diff, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care. one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Wow.
All right, y'all. That is it for today. I'm about to sweep up this floor. Hopefully my battery will last and y'all get to see me sweep up. But if not, thanks so much for joining this channel. If you decide to join, we love to have you as part of the MHE family. And I'm going to get out of here until the next one. Love y'all to life. Bye.
Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Where do we go when everything feels like it was just...
Okay, guys. So this is the next day. And I just wanted to show an overview of the garage, what we did. And I'm happy with it, like I said, for now. It'll do in a rush. Just trying to get it together. And this drywall is for by the stairs and other little projects that we need to do. But I just wanted to show you guys the final look. So I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned till spring, late summer, when we start working on the rest of the garage. Trying to get it beautified, my favorite part. Bye, guys.